Eswatini is a small, landlocked country located in southern Africa. Formerly known as Swaziland, it gained independence from British colonial rule in 1968. Before colonialism, the region was inhabited by various indigenous tribes, including the Nguni people who are ancestors of the Swazi people. In the mid-19th century, the Swazi kingdom was established by King Sobhuza I, who united various clans under his rule. In the late 19th century, the region came under British colonial rule, and in 1906, the British established the High Commission territory of Swaziland, which was later renamed to Swaziland. During this time, the British exerted control over the region's administration and economy, and introduced Christianity. In the 1950s, political movements began to emerge in Swaziland, seeking greater independence and autonomy. The Swaziland Progressive Party, SPP, was formed in 1953, and was later followed by other political parties. In 1963, King Sobhuza II banned political parties, and in 1967, he introduced a new constitution which granted greater autonomy to the Swazi people. On September 6, 1968, Swaziland gained full independence from British colonial rule, with King Sobhuza II as its first monarch. The country's economy was based primarily on subsistence agriculture, and the new government faced significant challenges in building up the country's infrastructure and improving the standard of living for its citizens. In the 1970s, Swaziland faced a significant economic downturn due to falling prices for its major export, sugar. The government responded by implementing a series of austerity measures and seeking assistance from international organizations like the International Monetary Fund, IMF. In the 1980s and 1990s, the government made efforts to diversify the economy, promoting tourism and manufacturing. However, political unrest continued to simmer, and in 1992, a new constitution was introduced which allowed for the formation of political parties. In 2018, King Mswati III announced that the country's name would be changed from Swaziland to Eswatini, which means, Land of the Swazi, in the Swazi language. Today, Eswatini remains a monarchy, with King Mswati III as its current ruler. The country continues to face economic and social challenges, including high rates of poverty, unemployment, and HIV/AIDS.